AI can make automations feel smarter quickly, but it can also make them fragile. Because AI doesn't always give the same answer in the same way, it can break workflows built on consistency. We'll explore why AI steps fail in production and what guardrails keep your workflow reliable. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use AI steps without making your workflows unpredictable or fragile. We will focus on the guardrails that keep the workflow safe in production, so a small output change doesn't cause a bigger failure downstream. Most automation is deterministic, meaning the same input leads to the same output every time. AI is probabilistic, so the same prompt can produce slightly different results. This matters because automation systems expect a fixed shape or value. Think of it like a conveyor belt that only accepts boxes of a certain size. If one box is slightly too tall, the entire belt stops. The content might be fine, but the wrong shape is enough to interrupt the whole chain. This shape problem also appears in real workflows. The most common failures are small: malformed text, a missing field, an invented value, or a structure change that confuses the next step. This is how a tool that works fine in testing starts breaking filters, mappings, or routing rules in production. A simple support ticket example illustrates this. The AI might consistently return category billing and urgency high in testing. In production, one run returns urgent instead of high, or forgets the category field. The AI output was slightly off, and the downstream logic broke. The real issue is inconsistency. One missing label or extra line can stop the workflow or send the task to the wrong place. Even when the AI sounds confident, the workflow needs a way to catch shape changes before they spread, leading to common mistakes. First, raw AI output often gets passed straight into critical steps, like updating a record or sending an email. If the output is wrong, the workflow quietly spreads bad data. The handoff needs a check, not just a hope. Second, it's very common to ask AI for a broad response when the workflow actually needs a fixed structure. For example, if a workflow needs name, company, priority, and next step, but the AI returns a paragraph instead, the next step may not know what to do with it. If you need specific fields or a certain format, say so clearly. That makes the workflow much easier to validate and far less fragile. Third, it's easy to assume a successful test run means the system is safe. But testing only shows what is possible, while production shows what is likely. For example, a prompt may work perfectly with one neat sample input, then fail when a real customer message is longer, messier, or missing context. A clean run is not proof the workflow will stay clean when real inputs change. That's why it helps to require a clear format and validate before moving forward. The safest way to use AI is to treat it as an unreliable component within a reliable system. The workflow must absorb variability. When the output changes, the system routes the result through a safe decision point. When AI output fails validation, don't continue blindly. Route it to retry, a default path, or human review. This is crucial when the next action is irreversible. The workflow should absorb uncertainty before a critical business action. The decision rule is this: if the AI output would change a real business action, validate it first. If it's incomplete, inconsistent, or low confidence, stop and send it somewhere safe. This keeps the system calm, even when the AI step is not. AI should enhance a workflow, not control it. Keep the core logic deterministic, contain AI within a defined step, and always validate. The three big takeaways are simple: constrain the input, structure the output, and always plan for failure. In the next episode, we'll delve deeper into workflow failures in live business use and how to recover cleanly. Thank you for watching this video. If this approach is useful, Stay with us for the next one.